Oh, all I know, loving you is a losing game.
Can I get a guava white tea lemonade with light ice and a tall iced coffee with just one pump of pumpkin spice? Can I also get an extra cup of nothing but ice? Hope you have an awesome day and thanks for being so nice.
Oh my god, that's crazy. I didn't expect that.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
It is a TikTok?
Yeah.
I was just on, I'm addicted to TikTok, I swear.
Yes. You will see this up later. You have an awesome day. See ya.
Yo, James,
Yo.
sing this with me.
Okay.
When the day bleeds into night falls.
And you're not here.
Hey.
Get me through it all.
Okay.
I let my guard down.
Then you pull the rug. I was kinda used to being someone you love. Okay.
Into the unknown. Into the unknown.
What? Are you kidding me? What?
Yep, got it. 3, 2, 1.
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety creeps inside of me, makes it hard to breathe. Words come
Oh my
over
God.
me,
Oh my
feels
God.
like I'm somebody else. I get overwhelmed
So easily, my anxiety keeps me silent when I try to speak. Words come over me, feels like I'm somebody else. That took a million takes. I sit by myself, talking to the moon, trying to get to you.
We're killing the earth, and that's really fun. No one believes us because we are young. Our forests are turning to ash in a second. Ask California, they'll tell you about it. They'll tell you how they have lost all their homes, while Trump turns a blind eye and tweets on his phone. Global warming's an expensive little hoax for the last time. This is not a joke. Our factories are working and toxins emitting. The ozone is crumbling and we won't stop putting chemicals in what we're trying to breathe. Our future is stolen and we are the thieves. Sea levels are rising and icebergs are melting. The coral reefs are dying and no one is helping. Do you realize they keep the oceans alive? This started back in 1985. Don't come to me when your child can't think of what a tiger is, cause they're extinct. Don't cry to me when your fur coat ain't clean. The endangered list is now 41,416. Dear 2045, I don't think we're gonna survive. If you end up hearing this story, I just want to say, I'm sorry.
I know we're just friends, but oh, for you, I want it done with